Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by assembling the exact identifiers officials use: passport number, travel dates, flight numbers, and stamp pages. Once done, log into your IRC or CBSA account and open any travel history screens so you can compare records. Make sure to photograph the passport stamp pages and save boarding passes as proof. Do this now because having accurate, verifiable details reduces delays when requesting stamp confirmation or corrections from border authorities. Next, you inspect the official logs. Sign into IRC with GC Key or sign-in partner and review travel history. Then check Arrive CAN and any CBSA correspondence for entry/exit timestamps. Compare each entry to your stamped passport and boarding passes. If numbers or dates mismatch, note exact differences and timestamps. This precise comparison matters because it frames your request for correction and shows officials where their records diverge from your documentary proof. Finally, you file a formal correction or confirmation request with CBSA or IRC, attaching clear scans of the stamped passport, boarding passes, and the travel history you compiled. In the form, state precisely what to change and why, include a daytime contact and your passport number. Once submitted, monitor response timelines and keep correspondence organized. If no resolution within the stated period, escalate to the Port of Entry office or your Member of Parliament for assistance. One troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.